Okay, so we'll set this on there and we'll do it from there. It's in pretty decent shape. Just needs a little bit of work. Let's have some fun. Oh, that's gonna need some work. Mixy. There. Wait. And wait. And wait. So I want it to be right there. Nice. This wedge was not designed for this plane. Little more. Yeah, see, that's what I want. Nice tight fit there. Not an original screw. Bit too much. Hey, see, that's fun. That'll make a good video. In the middle. There, nothing in the middle. Almost, just a little more in the middle. Nice, I like it. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Jeez. So there you have it. This was a lot of fun. This plane needed a lot of work. It was in the wrong iron. It had the wrong wedge. It was starting to split out from being dry over time. So this really wasn't a functional plane, but it was more set aside for decoration. But I really wanted to bring this back to life and make it functional again. So gluing it all up and changing the wedge to now fit what it's supposed to. We had to widen the mouth just a hair in order to get this iron to work, and now it is a fully functional Coffin smoother plane. So yeah, I really kind of liked bringing this back to life and having a little bit of fun with it. Also, I want to say a huge thank you to the Duck. You'll see him a lot on the channel down in the comments. He's the one who sent this to me, and I will be sending it back to him when it's done. I have a video that came out on Thursday on how to set up an iron in a wooden plane, so if you want to see that. Also, this iron is the one I'll be using in the iron test that'll be coming up here soon. So, woo, this is going to be a lot of fun. Thank you, Duck, for sending this to me. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, if you have any thoughts, comments, ideas, things you think I should have done or shouldn't have done, let me know those in the comments down below. I do read through all of them. Also, I want to say a huge thank you to the patrons on Patreon, members here on the channel, everyone who's clicked that join button. You are quite literally the ones keeping the lights on here in the shop. So thank you for that. That really means more than I can say. Also, I want to say thank you to the Duck for sending this in to work on. Hope you have fun with it when I send it back. So I think that'll about do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. I really need to put a mask on this thing because nowadays, if you have a mouth, it should be masked, especially if it's a coughing plane.